Alright folks, here we are in Ibis Paint X where magic happens, or at least where we pretend it does. I've already slapped the image onto the canvas because we're professionals here. First things first, we're gonna mask out the image. Why? Because it's easier, and I'm lazy like that. Oh, and I'll drop the link in the description for the fancy method I use to cut out images, because I'm helpful like that. Now we're jumping into Adobe Firefly Generative Fill, basically AI sorcery. I've tossed our masked out image in there like a pizza in an oven. First on the menu, giving him a shirt. I'm making a super precise selection, read, random squiggly line on the top area. Alright, typing in shirt, and click generate. Let's see what AI cooks up for us. Oh, we've got 3 options. And the third one, chef's kiss. But wait, I want a white shirt because I'm a man of standards, sometimes. So let's type white shirt and hit generate again. Moment of truth. Cue dramatic music. Oh wow! Okay, not bad. This one looks decent. Let's roll with it. But don't worry, there are a few funky spots and we'll fix those in Ibis. Next up, shoes. Because why let our guy walk around barefoot like he's on vacation? Generating like cue elevator music. And bam! The first one looks pretty nice. Moving on. Now let's transform her outfit. I have zero faith in what AI will give us, but here goes nothing. Selecting her entire outfit like I know what I'm doing, typing in white gown, and hitting generate. Oh, not too shabby. Let's click more, because obviously, I love torturing myself with options. Okay, this one's nice. Alright, she's looking good now. Let's slap some heels on her because barefoot just isn't the vibe. Hold up, why is it black and white? AI, are you okay? Never mind, we'll fix that later. Now for the issues. Grabbing a sample color and painting over it like I'm Michelangelo. Or you can use the smudge brush, which somehow makes me feel like a digital Picasso. Yeah, smudging looks way better, let's stick with that. For the feet, I created a new layer, changed the blending mode to overlay. Fancy, right? Grabbed a sample color and painted over it. Boom, feet fixed. Applause, please. Alright, back to cutting it out because we're about to summon AI again, this time for the background. Typing in some random description and clicking generate. And we've got it, a boat. Yes, they're now casually chilling on a boat. I went ahead and fixed her foot and hands because apparently AI doesn't believe in anatomy. To wrap it all up, I'm smudging the edges for that professional finish. And voila, here's the final image. What do you guys think? Trash it? Frame it? Let me know in the comments.